Welcome to Lingo Star. My name is Teacher Rochelle. What is your name? Max. Hello, Max. Oh, can you say my name is Max? Oh, nice to meet you, Max. How are you? Oh, that's great. Can you say, I am good? I am good. Oh, perfect. Okay, now, Max, let's go. And oh, Max, look, let's do these. Oh, can you say hi? Hi. Oh, how about high five? High five. Bam. And fist bump. Boom. Good job. Now, Max, let's go and now look. Hmm. Yes, birds. Now, Max, today we are going to learn, can all birds fly? Oh, now say, can all birds fly? Can birds. Wow! Amazing! Good job! Now, let's go, Max. And, mm, what animal, what animals do you like, Max? Oh, yes. Oh, very good. Now, can you say, oh, Max, let's say, I like the I tiger. Yes, very good, Max. Now, what animals do you like? Oh, yes, very nice, giraffe. Now say, I like the giraffe. Yes, yes. How about this? Very good. Now let's say together, I like the elephant. Wow, amazing. How about this? Hmm, what animals do you like? Oh, yes, it's a bird. Bird. Okay, now, let's see what bird is it? Let's go. Oh, now look. What is it, Max? Say, uh, very good. Now let's say it together. A magpie. A magpie. Wow. Yes, a magpie. Way to go. Let's go, Max. Mm. Now look and say, what is it? What is this? Say, this is a magpie. Oh, say, this is a magpie. This is Oh, wow, that's so great. That's great job. Oh, let me give you some burger. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, and now let's see. Now look. Oh, very good. Magpies. Good job. Now look, Max. How many magpies can you see? Oh, yes. Let's count. One. Yes, two. Now let's say together. Two magpies. Yes. Wonderful. Now, Max, let's say I can see two magpies. I can see two magpies. Yes. Fantastic. Oh, now let's go. Now look. Let's say magpies or birds. Mags. Oh, yes, very good. Magpies or birds. Oh, good job. You did great. Now let me give you some ta-da, a pizza for you. Yummy. Now let's go. Oh, now click and say, click all the magpies. Come on, click all the magpies. Click. Oh, yes. Oh, magpies, magpies, magpies. Oh, magpies, magpies. Okay, very nice. Here are the magpies. Good job. Oh, now, Max, how many magpies can you see? Let's count. One, two, three, four, five. Five, high five. Boom. Let's go. And now look and say, what are these, Max? Yes, magpies. Now, can you say magpies are birds? Very good. Again, magpies are birds. Yes. Now, let's say, hmm, say magpies can fly. Say, magpies can fly. Oh, very good. Good job. Oh, good job, Max. How about you, Max? Can you fly? Can you fly, Max? Yes? Oh, very nice. Oh, let's fly, 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 fly. Okay, fantastic. Oh, Max, let's go and boop. Now look and say, hmm, what bird is it? Oh, very nice. Now let's say a penguin. A penguin. Oh, can you say penguin, penguin, penguin? Pen- pen- Yes. Now say penguin. Okay. Perfect. Good job. Now let's go. What is this? What is this? Say, this is a penguin. Yes, this is a penguin. This is a penguin. Oh, penguin, penguin. Yes, perfect. Now let's go and look. How many penguins can you see? Very good. Now say two penguins. Two. Penguins. Yes. Very good. Do you like these penguins? Yes? Oh, me too. I like it. Now, let's go and here. Now, what is this? Say, hmm, penguins are birds. Again, penguins are birds. Penguins. Yes, penguins are birds. Good job. Oh, come on. Pew. Very nice. Now look, let's try and say, oh, find the correct penguin's wings. Hmm. Now which one? Can you circle? Circle. Yes, very good. This is the penguin's wing. Oh, yes, very good. Now let's go. And oh, now look and say, what are these? Yes, penguins. Now let's say penguins are birds. Okay, very nice. Now let's see. Hmm. Okay, say penguins cannot fly. Let's see. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, very good. Now let's go and oh, we're almost finished. It's wrap up time. Now, let's see what you have learned today, Max. Oh, now let's review. What is this? Oh, what are these? Yes, birds. Okay, now look. Can Okay, very good. Now, Max, can magpies and now can magpies fly? Yes. How about the penguins? No. Okay, very good. Now, please answer the questions and complete